Hey barbecue fans, welcome to a beautiful day in the North Georgia mountains at the Frankenboo Ranch Northern Command on the Cartacay River. So today we are going to go over another chicken wing recipe. I've given you guys 3 or 4 so far. This is a really great recipe to kick off the NFL season, and there's no better way to do it than making these things on site while you're going to go enjoy some football. Now, as you can see, I've got our gas portable grill set up, and you can, if you guys have one of these, if you're going to do barbecue or tailgating, you can pick yourself up one of these things. They're really great. And I have got a smoke box inside rolling right now, so I've got the smoke that I want to put onto my chicken wings. So today we're going to do a sweet Thai chili chicken wing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some sweet Thai chili sauce. I've got a good sweet teriyaki seasoning, and we're going to top it off with some roasted garlic. I got 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and we're going to, once the wings are done, we made the sauce, we're going to top it off with some chopped peanuts and some everything bagel seasoning. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. The first thing I want to do is cook my garlic. So I've got this little pan. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in it. Drop my chopped garlic in, and we're going to set this right on the grill and get that rolling. The next thing we want to do is we're going to leave that in there for right now. So we're going to season up our chicken wings. All right, let's get our chicken wings seasoned because we're going to use the other pan to do the butter. So let's go ahead and take a half a stick of butter. We're just going to set this right in here. We probably don't even have to put this onto the grill. We'll see. I'll put it on the grill anyway just to get it going. All right, put that over there. All right, let's season up our chicken wings. We've got, I'm just going to hit them with this seasoning here. This is a Blackstone teriyaki. It's got a little bit of a bite to it. Comes out really good on chicken wings. Mix these things up. Normally I've got the disposable cutting boards. I don't have those today, so we're trying to be as clean as possible so I don't have to wash all this stuff, which is the beauty of having the actual paper disposable cutting boards. You don't have to wash this stuff, you just throw it in the trash. All right, I'm really impressed with the smoke box in this thing. It's working really well. It's just something I picked up at Lowe's. Got some great products for your outdoor barbecues there. Hit this a little bit more. All right, let's get this stuff on here. All right, so we're gonna throw these on. Our butter's melting nicely. I'm gonna throw our chicken wings on. Get these going nicely here. Garlic's roasting, smells delightful. And I've got a cherry wood in the firebox today, or in the smoke box today, and that's going to give us a nice sweet flavor to complement the sweet spice of the Thai chili sauce. All right, so we're going to let these things cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. And once they're done, we're going to come back, we're going to whip up the sauce, and we're going to toss these things up and have some amazing wings. Be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, so our chicken wings are basically done, so let's go ahead and build our sauce. So I've melted our butter. I took that off, it's still a little warm, so I've got a half a stick of butter. Try to keep the sediment out of it. All right, there we go. Our garlic got a little over toasted. I'm still going to use it anyway because it's not bad. So we're just going to put our garlic in there. We're going to mix it up. So we basically got a brown butter with some roasted garlic. Let's put this bad boy over here, and we're going to use a half a cup of sweet Thai chili sauce. I've got a 1/4 cup measuring here. All right. So now we're going to mix this up nicely. So you can see we've got a nice color. We can see where the garlic is blended in. The brown butter has really made this look pretty. All right, let's get our chicken wings off of here. If you guys go and get yourself one of these smoke boxes, they actually work really well. I was kind of surprised how much smoke was coming out of here. Figured somebody in the HOA around here would complain the house is on fire, but I don't care. I got some great chicken wings coming off. All right, let's toss these bad boys up. Yeah, get that sauce going on there. Look at that. Those things look amazing. Get that. All right, get some of that sauce. And we can always, I got plenty of sauce, so we can always have some dipping sauce on the sides. Our fun little football plate. There we go. And here. Got people in the river behind me telling me it smells good, so that's a good thing. All right, so we're going to toss these, or we're going to top these, I should say, with some chopped peanuts. And let's move these around a little bit so we get some more peanuts on the bottom ones. All right, put this in. And just to top it off with a little bit of everything bagel seasoning, because that just makes everything more flavorful. So there we have it, guys. A really simple recipe. Really simple recipe. We've got butter, sweet Thai chili sauce, some roasted garlic. Then we use the seasoning from Blackstone. It's the teriyaki seasoning. Fire these things up, cook them up, off you go. This is a really quick, simple recipe. You can do it at Tailgate. You can do it on your gas grill with the smoke box on it if you want, with or without. Either way, I like the smoke, obviously. So there we have it, guys. Great more chicken wings for you. Another easy recipe to do for opening day of football. So there we have it. Until next time, guys, from the Frank and Boo Ranch Northern Command, keep on smoking it.